Hi guys, today I'm going to the Metro Cooking Show and I hope to interview Wolfgang Puck today. So wish me luck. Goodbye. Hi.
Hi.
Can you tell me a little bit about what you're doing here today?
Oh, we sell spicy and teas. We're from France.
Okay.
And this company is a family business, like 20 years. We have stores in Miami and New York too. It's the first time you're coming here, and it's really nice.
What is the name of the company?
It's Mon Spice.
Mon Spice.
Yeah.
Do you have a website?
Yeah, sure. It's the same name, monspice.com.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Beautiful. What do you like about spices?
This is some serious spices. I'm a cook, so I can't cook without spices. And I try everything. I try Indian spices. I try spices from Afghanistan, and it just makes food better.
So what is it about this that you like?
It's pretty.
It's beautiful, isn't it?
It's pretty.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Are they spices the same as the tea?
And work in the hospitality industry, just like our friend Brian here today, who's revising a train. Talk to our recruitment officer today. We are actually doing outreach recruitment for our spring semester that starts on January 21st. Thank you, Tony. January 21st. So ask our recruitment and outreach officer. She's going to give you all the information. We don't just have culinary arts. We have nurses aid. We have computer support services. We have paraeducator. The brand new Coast 3DC as well as.
Hello. How are you?
Good, how are you?
Can you tell me a little bit about what you're selling here today?
Yeah, we're a bean to bar chocolate company in Asheville, North Carolina, and we make 13 different chocolate bars. We make a variety of bonbons, about 28 bonbons, using local ingredients, ethically sourced cacao. We also have a pastry and a creamery facility, and so that's basically
So
a variety of goods with
the ingredients that you make your chocolates with, are they organic and are they holistic?
They are everything that we can find that organic. We use organic sugar, we use local grass-fed milk and cream. We source, we have almonds over there that we source from a biodynamic farm in California. So it's all local and organic to the best of our ability.
So what is your website?
It's FrenchBroadChocolates.com.
Okay, and what's your name?
Will Shepherd.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Matthew. I'm the ASM at Davis team. So pretty much we're loose-leaf tea-based company. We're Canadian-based. We're pretty much located in Bethesda, Maryland at the moment, Montgomery Mall.
Wonderful.
Pretty much what we have right here is pretty much loose-leaf tea. So we have 2 samples for you today. So we have a black and we have an herbal.
And where is that? Where would that be?
This is the herbal tea.
Okay.
This is the herbal tea and it is Caribbean Crush.
Can I get one of your cards?
So yeah, so that's
Thank you so much.
everything we have.
I'm the chef and owner of Salty Pork Bits. Salty Pork Bits is an online company, and today we're here selling salamis to you guys, but the reality of what we do is we sell subscriptions of salami. What I think goes really well with a board of salty meat, right? Charcuterie is something that needs balance. It's super salty. It's got nuances of fermented flavors, and it's got a lot of fat, and in a lot of cases, it's heavily spiced and or smoked. So we have to find a way to balance that and make sure that we're enjoying it and not
this world